When you import a model and assign a material to that and rotate, you can see we have a reflection because of environment. You can control these reflections and the actual light of your model and scene by going to here. Where was that? Yeah, environment map library. These are just a simple studio to changing the color and the light of the scene. For example, here, you can make it a basic, something like that. HDRI labs, they're exactly light. For example, the light is coming from here. Just drag and drop at the scene. You can see, okay, uh, it was just environment. You can see it changed the uh, actually lighting of the scene or something like that, just background or environment plus background. And you can see the object is in environment, and from where was that? For example, from this side, background, and you can see the lighting are coming from here to our object. Nice. So these are background. Or you can go and change it background and environment, and nice. So you can come here to settings. I will show you more, but we have a special setting for changing them. You can change intensity of that. You can change it more blurry. You can see. Nice. You can change blurry scene. You can change vertical offset. You can change horizontal offset. Rotation, vertical rotation, and other setting. And you can change overall color. If you want, for example, bluish color, you can change it or make it to the white again. Or you can insert your own HDRI or environment 360, something like this. And from here, you can change other setting like brightness, contrast, and gamma here. So you can import your own HDRI from internet and upload. So for doing that, you insert a simple basic, just environment, simple basic environment, and then come from here and change your own. From here you can delete it and import your own, and from here import your own HDRI here. And that's it.